Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. For 2024 batch and 2025 batch, there is a good news in this particular video. I request all of you to please watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any kind of hiring update, preparation videos, any kind of information, each and everything, genuine things, you will be getting it here. Now, the first thing which I will be talking about, so friend, Techmahindra has started sending examination mail. The exams, no, it will be happening in batches, okay? The exams, it will be happening in batches. So if you have not yet received, don't worry. If you have applied it, then definitely you will be getting the mail. Not only Techmahindra, so Zensar has also started their process. So the next process. So now they have started sending this particular mail. So regarding Zensar also, we had made a video earlier. And Deloitte, right? So Deloitte is again calling 2025 batch for the internship program. And here Deloitte is again hiring for associate analyst, learning operation, Hyderabad. So we are going to talk in detail each and everything. And you can see the video here. So, Deloitte video we had made. So here you can see for the Deloitte hiring, Techmahindra hiring. So that is the same thing you would have applied here. So where is the Techmahindra hiring? So Techmahindra and Capgemini, this particular video. And then Zensar here. So Zensar also 9 days ago, we had made the video. So friends, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you only tell, you are going to miss all this hiring opportunity. These are very good companies which is offering you job. And later on, you will only regret, nothing else is going to happen. Also for Techmahindra, I will tell you how to prepare. So, this Techmahindra 25th of July, actual questions which we have solved here, that link also I am going to give it to you. A lot of information you are going to get in this video. Now, so let us go one by one. So for 2024 batch, Techmahindra is telling that now guys, be ready for the examination. So here if you read, so campus joining, Techmahindra fresher evaluation process 1. This is with reference to your registration for the Techmahindra fresher evaluation process. We had mentioned that the academic eligibility criteria and other details on the instruction page before starting the registration process. Based on the details said, we have considered your candidature for the evaluation process anyway. Now here, so evaluation schedule, round 1, aptitude test, English, essay, story, 22nd of January, 9 AM to 4 PM. That means, see, this is not for the complete exam time. So this is the time where they will be having this particular things. Round 2 technical and psychometric test, 23rd of Jan, 12 PM to 4 PM. Round 3 will be conversational test, 24th of Jan, 11 AM to 2 PM. Round 4 will be technical interview, 30 of Jan onwards. And round 5 HR interview, 30 of Jan onwards. Okay. So they have given the complete details here. Date and timing. So from 22nd of Jan, your aptitude test or English test is going to start. So, each and every information we will be bringing in the next video. So if you want the previous question on Techmahindra, or if you want more information on this, please type that, okay, in the comment section that, sir, we want videos on Techmahindra. Then I will be definitely bringing it for you, right? So you understood round 1 will be your aptitude and English. Round 2 will be technical and psychometric. Round 3 will be conversational test. Round 4 will be technical interview. And round 5th is going to be HR interview. So 22nd it will start, and within 8 days till your HR interview will get over. Okay, fine. Then friends, so this is regard PCS campus team Techmahindra Limited, and all these details they have given it here. Okay, so I hope this is what you were looking for. And then friend, Zensar, right? So Zensar few days ago, they announced their hiring. So dear aspirants, greetings from Zensar. Thank you for showing your interest to work with Zensar. You have been shortlisted for next process. Kindly share your below details to proceed further. Mandatory fill all the details in the below table with attached CV and certificate. Full name, registered email address, mobile number, your current address. Ready to join first week of February. Job location available for yes or no, right? So their next process again, Zensar has also started off. And now there are two hirings which I wanted to talk about, and Deloitte previous year question you can search on our channel. So sorry, Techmahindra 25th of July questions. Okay, so here we have solved around 14 to 15 questions from the Techmahindra, which you will be able to see, and these questions were asked on 25th of July, right? So boats, here boat and river. Okay, so all those things, boats and streams. So all these questions has been covered. Fine. Techmahindra interview preparation. So Nitin sir is already working in Techmahindra, so he had done this video how to prepare for the interview. Okay, fine. Anyway, now friends, if you're from the batch of 2025, then Deloitte is giving this internship opportunity. So intern, fresher, Bangalore engineering, and this is through the Deloitte official website. See, one will be Deloitte NLA. This is different. So this you can apply it separately. So job ID is this one. Date, so today is only 20 of Jan 2025, right? Today's date, yes, 20 of Jan. Today only it is posted. Location Bangalore, and designation is intern, right? And if you want to apply, what you have to do, just click on apply. Okay, and then you will be redirected to a page where you have to sign in. And if you have not yet signed up, then you have to please go and sign up. So create an account to apply for the career opportunities. Okay, and then the another opportunity we have from Deloitte for the associate analyst learning operations Hyderabad. So this will be for the batch of, if you will see, if you'll go down, so they are basically looking for graduate, MBA and postgraduate. So 2024 batch basically can apply for this opportunity, right? Okay, so role learning operations specialist level associate analyst. So this is basically associate analyst. And then support administrative talks and activities managed system. So many of the students earlier, when they had applied, they had also received the next process email from Deloitte. Okay, so this is main thing here. And required is must have excellent verbal and written communication skill, should have knowledge of email etiquette, should have basic knowledge of Excel, and should be able to read data and use the Excel features like sorting, removing duplicates and filtering, should have ability to team with others, should be able to, all these qualities you have a very good qualities. I am telling you because I know you from long time. And shift timing will be 2 to 11 p.m. So 9 hours timing is there. Location is Hyderabad. So this is again a very good opportunity by Deloitte. So friends, Deloitte is hiring left and right because they have more requirement, and because of that requirement they are hiring more number of candidates. So this is what I wanted to tell you, friends. So for Techmahindra, if you definitely need more information or more videos, that also I can bring it out. But anyway, so know about the pattern, start your preparation. Some videos are already there on our channel where we have solved aptitude, we have solved technical, we have also given you the technical interview and HR interview, what exactly happens. We have also told you about the conversational test. So all this are already available on our channel. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video, but only with the genuine updates.